Hi everyone, in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove email from Snapchat. So in order to remove email from Snapchat, all you have to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, log in into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged in, click the profile icon from the bottom left hand side corner. Then it's going to take you to your profile info page. Click the gear icon from the right hand side and here go to email. Once you go to email, then you'll only be able to unlink or remove your email when you replace it with another one. So in order to replace it, you'll have to remove the current one and then you'll need to enter in the other one. Now once you do that, you'll have to click the save button located right at the bottom. It's going to send you a confirmation through an email, confirm that the email has been successfully replaced, and that's how you can remove email from Snapchat. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.